Connect the power cord. Turn on the switch. The main screen should light up. Please read the product manual before use. Keep away from heat sources and fires during use, and any device with fire. Smoking and tilting the machine should be avoided. Tilting the machine can cause water overflow inside the main unit that can upset operation. During use, allow space around the machine to prevent blocking the cooling vents. Before using the machine for the first time, we need to perform a flush of the water tank and hydrolysis cell. Turn off the power. Remove the silicon stopper from the hydrogen outlet. Note that it must be removed before adding water to allow it to flow into the hydrolysis cell. Open the water inlet cover. Take care not to contaminate the machine with dust or other foreign objects when adding water. There is a silicon stopper here. The purpose of this stopper is to prevent water from overflowing during transit. This stopper is not required during the operation of the machine. Please keep the silicon stopper safe, as it will be needed for times when you may want to transport your machine to another location. It is important to only use distilled water with a TDS reading of 0 to 1 parts per million. We supply a TDS reader with your machine. That will allow you to test the water before adding it to the tank. We can see how much water is in the tank by using the indicator on the side of the machine. Continue to add water until it is close to the maximum line. The machine will not operate if you overfill it. Tighten the water inlet cap. Remove the clear view window. Remove the silicon plug. Add distilled water to indicated marker level. Put back the seal and press to prevent leakage. Push the window back into its original position. Drainage. Take an appropriate container below the drain outlet. Connect the drainage tube to the machine to allow water to be released. We do not need to empty the tank completely. Allow around a glass of water, or 250 milliliters, to be emptied from the tank. This will allow any contaminants to be flushed out from the hydrolysis chamber. Connect the water trap to the side of the machine. Use the white tubing to connect the output of the machine to the water trap, using the connection closest to the machine. Now connect the nasal cannula. Turn on the machine with the power switch. The screen will light up. Click the mode switch, set the required flow rate. Click the time, minimum 30 minutes, then 40 minutes, 50 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours. The longest setting is 8 hours. Then click Start to begin treatment. The machine has a night mode. Long press the sleep button for 3 seconds. The screen brightness will decrease and turn off. To switch back to normal mode, press the sleep button again for 3 seconds.